Hey again, welcome back. Still don't know how to start these, so just get to it. If this is your first video, I started this vlog series last week to get comfortable in front of the camera and also document my learning for another channel. Finally, after hitting publish last week for the series, I'm realizing it's not that bad, so I plan on adding these. I plan on doing more videos like this on camera. Hey, so now that I'm editing this video, I'm now realizing that I look out of it and I just remembered that I took some melatonin before making this video. So if you're wondering why I look out of it, that's the reason why. So please forgive me. Thanks for watching. So I could start practicing more often. Another thing I want to add for the series is like a theme, like a number one takeaway or sharing what I learned this week. So for last week, it was do it scared until you get comfortable. This week is stop overthinking and hit publish. Also, this homebody needs to go outside. So I want to make this more vloggy or vlogish. So I know you can make your own version of vlogging, but this will give me a reason to get out the house more often and make it unboring. For the book series, I should have a video in a few weeks. The first book is going to be Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdaal. And then for tutorials, which is my favorite type of videos to do, I'm slowly switching over from Notion to AnyType. And I'm going to be using the para method and basically start from scratch for AnyType. And I'll do a quick tutorial on that. I also found a stylus for my laptop. I have a HP Envy laptop with a touchscreen, so I could finally start adding more parts to the video with whiteboarding, and that's for both channels. So an update on TEFL. If you're not familiar, it's a certification for teaching English as a foreign language. I did a soft launch for the second channel, or I'll call it channel 2 for now. I'm finally verified on YouTube to post videos, so I could start posting whatever and whenever. This channel is going to be documenting my language learning, so Spanish for now, and then in the future, whatever language I plan on learning. And then the TEFL certification journey, I'm going to start freelancing as a tutor. So the website is finally up, and this is going to be teaching tech and business English. So, and I'll also use this as a portfolio project for freelancing clients and also jobs. This new channel is not that different from this channel. It's just a different audience and with a goal to monetize. I also created a resume basically for the jobs. I'm also looking into EdTech or educational tech roles, but I'll talk about that later on in the video. So for the course update for the TEFL course, I completed assignment A. My next step now is to do assignment B, but I'm just waiting for them to grade the first assignment before I can move on. I did a review of what to expect for assignment B just to get a head start. And hopefully I could, once that's graded, I can complete this next assignment within a day or two. It takes 5 days to grade the assignment, so I'm hoping sometime next week I should be good to go to work on the next one. And then for this channel, channel 2, I have the channel up, this resume, and the website ready. I wanted to get everything done now while I wait to avoid the overthinking, so I timed myself so I can make sure I follow through with the done is better than perfect. So when I'm ready to launch, after I get certified, I could just focus on just busting out content for this channel. The good thing about this is everything I've learned in the past 5 years on my main channel, I can basically fast track this whole process, I guess. I could use the past videos about content strategy and content planning, and that will come in handy for channel 2. So the next thing I'm working on is later on today, I'm going to update my main website. I want to start removing some services on there and focus on video editing and content writing. I got my first testimonial for copywriting and web design project, so I'll add that to the writing services page. For the EdTech, I'm using LinkedIn Learning. There's a path called instructional design. So that'll go over e-learning and course planning. I was noticing how it's almost like creating YouTube videos, but more structured for courses. So I'll just breeze through it this week and then get familiar with the common tools they use for EdTech. That's basically it for now. One thing that's not related to anything I said in this video is go see Sinners if you haven't already. This is my first movie in the last 6 years. I saw it this week and I plan on seeing it again in a few weeks. And in the meantime, I could finally watch all those breakdowns and think pieces without worrying about any spoilers. I'm also listening to the soundtrack and the score on a daily basis on repeat. I'm obsessed, but that's probably an understatement, but I'm obsessed. So go see it, and hopefully you can come back and share your thoughts about what you liked and disliked, or anything you want to talk about for the movie. So check back for updates on the TEFL course, EdTech, or whatever else I mentioned in this video.